Hi everybody, hey, it's Mrs. Johnson. Hey, I want to transition from Valentine's Day. Make sure that you know that we're all thinking of you and our hearts are with you right now. Um, and also letting you know that, hey, our first day back was supposed to be March 17th. It's been now a week. And so I'm sending out a message right now for a happy belated St. Patrick's Day. All right. Um, I myself was looking forward to that day, celebrating my Irish and showing off this shirt. Um, because really, every St. Patrick's Day, we've been on spring break. So I haven't been able to wear something for St. Patrick's Day at school. So that was something that I was looking forward to, but here we are, a week later. So it is March 23rd, and we have been asked to make greetings for videos for this week in preparation for our time that we're going to be starting together next week on March 30th. So here we are. Welcome. I want to say, first of all, hi to my advisory class. Hi, gang, seniors, class of 2020. I know you're all going through a little bit of, hey, what's going on and what do we do? But know that your deans and your administration and your teachers are all working through this, creating whatever we can so that we can get you through some required courses to keep you on track. So that is happening. Okay. Then I have some other classes. Intro to Photo, I have 2 sections of, so greetings, welcome to that class. Working on some alternative things for us to do because we may not be able to get to film. Hopefully we'll be able to be face-to-face where we can work with film cameras, but just in case, we're coming up with some alternative things for you to do with your iPads and work on composition. Then we have a digital art and design class that is an introduction to graphic design, the world of graphic design. We've got some things planned out for that and possible alternatives that we're working through this week. Okay, and then we have our spring yearbook class. That class is dedicated to completing the yearbook, which we're in those particular weeks right now. So a few staffers and myself and Miss Arndt have been working pretty hard at trying to get the 2020 book finished before our deadline. But the spring class itself is dedicated to theme development for next year's book, gathering content from the spring, and working on layout work and design. So we have a few things that we've got a hiccup with. Obviously, there's nothing going on right now for spring activities. Please pray with me that we will be able to be back in school and some of those activities and events will take place. We are hoping for the best for that. And it is what it is. We're all working through it, doing the best that we can. So again, we are working out all these little hiccups that are coming up and doing our best to present our material for you starting on March 30th. So be on the lookout for any other kinds of communications that were going to come out, maybe some specific emails, some things that I might be sending out as well. So that's about it for today. We've got lots of stuff that we've got to prep for this week and little things to be ironing out. So we look forward to seeing you next week in whatever transpires with this whole new journey that we have before us. Okay, so hang in there, everybody. Have a good rest of your week, and we'll see you on March 30th. Okay, bye-bye.